Want to see your real-time internet speed right in your Samsung phone's status bar? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enable it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open the Good Lock app to your Samsung phone. You can download it from Galaxy Store or Play Store. Open the QuickStar module in your phone. This latest QuickStar update added network speed to your Samsung status bar to check the real-time internet speed. Official support for One UI 9.0. Toggle it on. Tap on Visibility of Indicator icons. Toggle on Network Speed in the Network Information section. You can see the real-time network speed to your status bar. If you can't see this option, check the version and make sure to install the latest version, 11.0.03.15. To check the version, open the Good Lock. Tap on icon of QuickStar. Tap 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap Go to Store. Scroll and tap What's New. Here you can see the which version and what's new in this QuickStar update. Did this trick work on your Samsung phone? Let me know your Galaxy model in the comments below.